गुड मॉर्निंग बच्चों टुडे वी विल डिस्कस अबाउट केमिकल काइनेटिक्स. दिस इज फोर्थ यूनिट ऑफ आवर सिलेबस. दिस इज फोर्थ यूनिट. So we will discuss about chemical kinetics. What is chemical kinetics? It is branch of physical chemistry or chemistry which deals with rate of reaction, factor affecting rate of reaction and mechanism of reaction. केमिकल काइनेटिक्स में केमिकल रिएक्शन की रेट डिटरमाइन की जाती है एंड व्हाट आर द फैक्टर्स दे अफेक्ट द रेट ऑफ रिएक्शन, दैट इज ऑल्सो फाइंड आउट. And mechanism, what is the mechanism of a particular reaction, that is also find out in chemical kinetics. So we will discuss in this unit about rate of reaction, factors which affect rate of reaction. फैक्टर्स में जैसे टेम्परेचर, कंसंट्रेशन एट्सेट्रा. ये टेम्परेचर डिस्कस करेंगे, देन वी विल डिस्कस आर्रहिनियस इक्वेशन. कंसंट्रेशन डिस्कस करेंगे तो ऑर्डर ऑफ रिएक्शन, फर्स्ट ऑर्डर, जीरोथ ऑर्डर. इसके अलावा वी विल डिस्कस रेट लॉ एंड मॉलिक्यूलरिटी ऑफ ए रिएक्शन एंड मैकेनिज्म ऑफ रिएक्शन. इतना हम डिस्कस करेंगे इस यूनिट में. सो नाउ वी डिस्कस rate of reaction. According to rate of reaction, there are three types of reaction. Very fast reactions, these are ionic reactions. For example, reaction with NaCl and AgNO3 to give AgCl, PPT and NaNO3. Because in this reaction sodium is ionic compound, there are sodium ions and chloride ions and silver ions and nitrate ions. These are ions, so reaction will be very fast. Ionic reaction, this is ionic reaction, this is very fast. Second type of reaction, very slow reaction. For example, rusting of iron. This is very slow reaction, takes years of time. रस्टिंग होने में कई महीने और साल लग जाते हैं. दिस इज वेरी स्लो रिएक्शन. Now third type of reaction is moderate reaction. These are molecular reactions. N2 plus H2 gives twice NH3, ammonia N2 plus thrice H2. In nitrogen, here will be bonds between nitrogen atoms, and in hydrogen also bonds, and in ammonia there will be also bonds. These are covalent bonds. These bond, when reaction will take place, bonds will break and in ammonia bonds will form, न्यू बॉन्ड्स बनेंगे। इस तरह से इन मॉलिकुलर रिएक्शन बॉन्ड्स ब्रेक होंगे रिएक्टेंट्स के और प्रोडक्ट्स में बॉन्ड्स फॉर्म होंगे। देयर विल बी ए फाइनाइट टाइम। सो वी कैन नॉट फाइंड आउट द रेट ऑफ वेरी फास्ट रिएक्शंस and very slow reactions, but we can find out moderate reactions. So in this chapter we will discuss about moderate reactions. We define rate of reaction. Rate of reaction, change in concentration of reactant or product per unit time. This is known as rate of reaction. Suppose we take a reaction R, reactant gives product P. At time T1, concentration is R1 for the reactant and P1 for the product. These are the concentration at time T. And at time T2, concentration of the reactant remains R2 and concentration of P becomes P2. Rate of reaction equal to either decrease of concentration of R, reactant R, or increase in concentration product P. So this will be equal to minus delta R upon delta T equal to delta P upon delta T. Now unit of rate of reaction, unit of rate of reaction according to formula, change in concentration upon time taken, and unit of concentration is mole, liter inverse, and for the time second, this will be mole, liter inverse, second inverse. For gaseous reaction, for gaseous reaction. For if we take partial pressure in place of concentration, then unit will be atmosphere second inverse. This will be unit. Mole liter inverse second inverse or atmosphere second inverse for gaseous system if we take partial pressure. If we take another reaction having more than one reactant or product, A plus B gives C plus D. Then rate of reaction equal to minus delta A upon delta T and equal to minus delta B upon delta T, or for the rate of disappearance and of A and B, and for the product this will be delta C upon delta T, or delta D concentration of D and delta T. These are the rate of disappearance A and B, and these are the rate of appearance of C and D, and these are equal. Because stoichiometric coefficient are same. Then rate of disappearance of any reactant or rate of appearance of any product will be same. These are 1 stoichiometric coefficient 1. If stoichiometric coefficient are different, stoichiometric coefficients are different, then for example N2 plus thrice H2 gives twice NH3. Then rate of reaction will be equal to minus delta R upon delta T, or 1/3 into delta minus H2 upon delta T equal to 1/2 into delta NH3 upon delta T. Change in concentration of reactant will be in minus These are stoichiometric coefficient. Stoichiometric कोफिशिएंट। इसका मतलब है if stoichiometric coefficient are not same, then rate of disappearance and rate of appearance will be different. In rate of reaction we will divide by the stoichiometric coefficient. These are average rate, so are average. So average rate consider change in concentration in a time period. Now in instantaneous rate of reaction at a particular moment of time, और इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट को डिनोट करते हैं आर इंस्टेंटेनियस. Now graphical representation of rate of reaction. Graphical representation of rate of reaction. Reaction है, reactant gives product P. We draw a graph, concentration of reactant and time. ये ग्राफ इस तरह से आता है. Suppose this is concentration R1 and this is concentration R2. So this will be T1 and time T2. So average rate will be equal to minus delta R upon delta T. That will be equal to R2 minus R1 upon T2 minus T1, because there is decrease in concentration. And in instantaneous rate for a particular time, suppose for this time T, and there will be a tangent of the slope, parallel line of the y and x. So this will be dr and dt. Now in instantaneous rate will be equal to minus dr upon dt. For product, if we draw a graph, concentration of product and time, and graph will be like that. Suppose this is concentration P1 at time T1, and this is concentration P2 at time T2. Then average rate will be equal to plus delta P upon delta T. And for the instantaneous rate, suppose we take time T and there will be a tangent for the slope and dp, and this is dt, and instantaneous rate will be equal to dp upon dt. इस तरह से हम ग्राफ से इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। एवरेज रेट में हम डेल्टा लेते हैं एंड इंस्टेंटेनियस रेट में हम डी लेते हैं इन प्लेस ऑफ डेल्टा। बच्चों एक क्वेश्चन करते हैं। For the reaction R, reactants gives P product, the concentration of reactant changes from 0.4 m to 0.3 m in 20 minutes. Calculate the average rate of reaction using units of time both in minutes and seconds. Average rate of reaction will be minus delta R upon delta T, and this is equal to R2 minus R1 upon delta T. So this will be minus 0.3 minus 0.4 upon 20. This will be minus 0.1 upon 20. So this will be in plus 0.1 upon 20, and this will be equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 1 upon 20 and 1.0 into 10 power minus 2 upon 2 and equal to 5.0 into 10 power minus 3 mole liter inverse minute inverse in minutes. because time taken in minutes. In second, average rate will be minus delta R upon delta T, and this will be 0.1 upon 20 into 60, then this will be equal to 1.0 into 10 power minus 3 upon 12, and if we divide by 12, then this will be 10 power minus 5, 8, 96, 4.03 and 3. So this answer will be 8.3 into 10 power minus 5 mole liter inverse second inverse. This will be answer. एक और क्वेश्चन है, इन ए रिएक्शन 2A reactants gives product. The concentration of A decreases from 0.05 mole per liter to 0.4 mole per liter in time 10 seconds. Calculate rate during this interval. Average rate will be 1/2 delta A upon delta T. This is equal to minus 1/2 into delta A, this is 0.4 minus 0.5 upon 10. So this will be equal to minus half into minus 0.1 upon 10. So this will be plus, and this will be 0.1 upon 20. Now 1.0 into 10 power minus 2 upon 2, and this will become 5.0 into 10 power minus 3 mole liter inverse second inverse. इस तरह से हम क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर सकते हैं। आज के लिए बस इतना ही। धन्यवाद।